Press and hold the power button on the X10 Phantom for 3 seconds to turn it on. Then, press and hold to enter the Bluetooth pairing mode for your phone. Open the EJEAS app. Click the top right corner to pair devices. After finding the X10 Phantom, click to pair with the app to pair automatically. Click the music. Adjust volume. Music sharing. Disconnect music sharing. Click on the FM radio. Adjust volume. Turn off the FM radio. Click the sound. Adjust the volume of the notification sound. Click to call. Turn off automatic answering. Automatic answering will not work after closing. After turning on the phone, it will automatically answer calls within 8 seconds. Click Parameters. Click Mesh Pairing. Listening Mode. Click to pair. Intercom Mode. Click to pair. Click on Device Status, Current Status. Click on EUC Pairing. Click to pair. Turn off the device.
EJEAS, ride the wind and chase the dream with safety as the guard.